See, the point number one is that still, as of now, 30th of May 2020, gentleman Joe Biden is still the Democratic presumptive nominee for the presidency, but not the nominee. Think about it. Why? Because the more they delay, the worse it is basically for them, because they can't start building the momentum. And the only way basically it explains that why gentleman Joe Biden still not has been appointed or has been nominated as a nominee is basically because the Democrats basically are confused or having a fear that he may not basically win the election. Number two. See, yesterday basically I was watching President Trump speech on the China's, as a news conference on China and cutting ties with the WHO. And I was saying that basically President Trump was talking on the matters from, national security to the foreign policy to the, health issues aspect related to the WHO. And he talked around 9.5 minutes, roughly 9 minutes, 20 seconds to 6 seconds to be precise. So seamlessly, so fluently from one topic to another topic to another topic without the use of any teleprompter. I can say this thing basically with my own experience. 20 years ago, working as a guest professor, it's almost impossible to talk on all these areas, all these topics, unless and until you have got complete, you have got absolutely amazing knowledge. And he was not basically looking at the notes. He was just talking basically, extempore, from starting basically from China's trade and, all these things, trade, security, everything seamlessly. It might sound as a cliche, but honestly, I don't see really that Joe Biden actually can have or can defeat basically President Trump in a debate, even in a million years. There is no way. There is no way, basically. And I think the Democrats also understand that point, and that is another reason basically that they have not still, even though he is still the only person, who is left in the race of nominees, but they still not basically has been officially nominated as a presidential candidate. Next, I would say, if you see just before the coronavirus, American economy basically was booming. Unemployment basically historically one of the lowest in the US history. And I'm pretty sure basically that with the next few months, the economy basically will be back on track. And I really don't see that Joe Biden actually can compete with President Trump on the matter of economy or on the matter of business. I don't see that happening anyway. So that's why I think that Democrats right now basically looking for a candidate who can actually compete, who can actually debate with President Trump on a matter of economy or business and other matters. And they still not been able to figure out. And once basically they figure out a candidate basically who can actually compete with President Trump, then I think gentleman Joe Biden will still be again fighting as a vice president, not as a president. Only one exception, remote possibility, is that if Democrats could not find anybody more intelligent and more capable than Joe Biden, then perhaps he may stand as a presidential nominee, but not otherwise. Do let me know basically what do you think about it in the comment section below. Do you think that Joe Biden, in your view, will be contesting basically as a presidential nominee from the Democrat side? Thank you very much for watching this.